Hey there. I am so pleased you were able to make it here today for this great conference. And I can say, if you can take even 10% of this information I have seen on display, then Elon Musk is going to be calling to beg you to come work for him. Today, I have the pleasure of getting to introduce an amazing new product that has taken the digital advertising world by storm. The app is called Procreate, and it is going to be your new key to a successful logo creation and so much more. To give you a little background, Procreate is a raster graphics editor app or a computer program that allows users to create and edit images interactively on the computer screen and save them. It was developed and published by Savage Interactive and launched on the iOS App Store in 2011. It took a little time for Procreate to make a splash when artist Kyle Lambert created a hyper realistic finger painting of the famed actor Morgan Freeman. The impressive creation made Procreate go viral and earn an Apple Design Award in 2013. Since then, Apple support say Procreate has been used to create posters for Stranger Things, Logan, and Blade Runner 2049, as well as several covers for The New Yorker. This program also has big names such as Marvel Comics, DC Comics, Disney Animation, and Pixar, rocking out amazing new designs on the app. Growing popularity led to Procreate becoming the best selling app of the year in 2018, according to Apple iPhone. Today, Procreate is currently available in version 5.2 and even has a version called Procreate Pocket, which received Apple's App of the Year award in 2008 as well. Both versions come with 13 language options and are available on multiple platforms. And yet, all these amazing accolades mean nothing if it was difficult to use. We often hear complaints about how difficult a program can be used or master, and that frustration adds to the loss of creativity flow and innovation. Well, I'm going to show you how easy Procreate is going to start using. The following set of visuals is going to give you a basic user guide to gaining a quick proficiency with this home run program and its supporting tech. Excited yet? Yeah, me too. So, this is a one-time $10 app that is available on any iPad and even some iPhones. Its portability allows you, the creator, to work from anywhere without the worry of needing an internet connection. An interview with James Jean, the creator of the Blade Runner 2049 poster, specifically mentioned his use of the program on a 13-hour plane trip back from Taiwan. Procreate offers a supportive website that allows you the ability to download specific designs and brushes and offers multiple websites where you can find different fonts. An added benefit is that you can even create your own fonts and brushes to match your exact artistic style. Saved content can be saved and shared in different formats, PDF, PNG, etc., which allows for easy sharing and group collaborations. There is a 3D model option that can be used to work on logos that are more digital than printed. The app the app's simple design and layout make for easy use and advanced capability. On the screen, you can see a fake logo I have pulled up to show you some of the basic steps to use this amazing app. First, let's open the app and choose the size and quality of your canvas. Now, that your canvas is in front of you, you can import your references if needed by clicking or tapping the action button, then insert a photo. From there, it will bring up your iPad or iPhone's photo app and you can click on what you want. It will appear and you can adjust the references by tapping the arrow / pointer and it will highlight the photo. When it does this, you are free to either hold onto one of the circles and shrink or enlarge it, or you can simply hold a photo to move it to where it works for you. Before we can truly begin, you need to know where the main buttons are that you need. Over in the right corner are 5 buttons. The first one is where the brushes are. The second one is your smudging tool. The third one is your eraser. No, you can change all the brushes for the all 3 tabs. Your fourth one is your layers tab. This is important as layers allow you to keep things clean, and how the overlap in a way can help stop a mess on your current work. The last tab is where all your colors are. There is a color wheel, color bars, and preset color palettes. There is another option, but we will cover that in another training video. After learning all of that, we can finally move on to the fun part, making the logo. Of course, no one logo is going to be the same, and how you create a new one will always be a little different. Regardless, the process remains the same. If you want to work with just words, you tap on Action, which is the button that looks like a wrench, and to bring up all the options listed there. There, you will find the option Add Text and tap that to bring up the keyboard. If you're wanting to change the font, you can go to the upper right corner on the keyboard where it shows Change Styles. From there, you can pick from the many styles and adjust them as they are needed. If you're just working with a drawing of sorts, you can find all your brushes in the upper right corner with the symbol of a paintbrush. Tap that and to bring up all the brushes. All of them are divided into different categories of what kind they are. You can tap on the different lists, which is on the left, to bring up the different brushes. In the right column, the brushes will appear, and you can tap on the one you want. Now that you've made your logo, it's time to remove the white background and save the artwork as the file you need. When removing the background, in order to make it transparent, you need to open up the layers and scroll down to the very bottom. From there, underneath layer 1, there is a bar that says background layer. Next to the words is a small checkbox you tap to turn off the background. When it turns off, you might see your logo isn't fully filled in. At this point, and just go back and fill it in. It's a good way of telling if you are looking to make sure every color is filled in correctly and neatly. The only thing that is left to do is save the photo however you need. It can be a PDF, PNG files, animated GIF, animated PNG, animated MP4, and HEVC. You can find that in the action and underneath the share button. Now that you've had a visual taste of Procreate, I implore you to get out there and download your copy. This app's easy to use interface and adaptability make its uses almost unlimited. COVID-19 lockdown led to a significant rise in the creation of work from home jobs and social media's exploitation. According to a survey by Iowa State Daily, Procreate was used more than 40% of successful TikTok content creators and over 60% of YouTube's biggest personalities. They believe Procreate will be the #1 digital editing software for personal computers, replacing Photoshop completely by 2025. Sitting at half the competitor's price and offering improving annual updates, Procreate is well on its way to designing a better future. The only question now is, how are you going to go out there and design it?